Today we are going to draw a school bus or a bus today in a very simple and easy way. First we are drawing the upper part of the bus. Now a straight line, then a curve. This is the front part of the bus. Continue drawing straight line. Next step is coming down. Now we are making some parts which are present in the front of the bus. Let's make the wheel of the bus. First we are making a big circle, inside that a small circle. Now let's make a straight line. After that we are going to draw the wheel of the bus again. Let's make the front window where the driver sits to drive. Now let's make the other windows which are present in the bus. This is the last window. Now let's make a curved line on the bus which will make it look like a realistic bus. drawing of our bus is complete. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If yes, do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.